Hey everyone. So if Google Translate feels really slow, like it takes forever to load translations, or it lags every time you type, yeah, that can be frustrating. But don't worry, I'll show you simple fixes to speed it up again. First, check your internet connection. Google Translate needs a stable network, and if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is slow, the app will lag too. Next, close background apps. If your phone is running too many apps at once, it can slow down Google Translate a lot. Now close Google Translate completely and reopen it. This clears temporary glitches and usually makes it feel faster right away. Okay, next, clear the app cache. This removes junk files that can slow everything down over time. Make sure your Google Translate app is updated. Older versions can lag or respond slowly, especially with voice and camera features. If your phone storage is almost full, that can also slow things down. Try deleting unused apps or files to improve performance. And that's it. One of these steps should make Google Translate faster again. If it's still slow, it might just be a temporary server issue, so try again later.